Hello students, once again welcome to in this lecture. In the previous lecture we have considered various operations of the sets. Now we are using these operations in the practically problem. What are the uses of these operations in the practical problem? So there are some properties we will use these. Is number of element of A union B is equal to number of element of set A plus number of element of set B minus number of element in set A intersection B. First property is number of the set of element of A union B is equal to number of the element, cardinal number of the set A, cardinal number of the set B, as well as minus number of the element of A intersection B. Number of element are also known as the cardinal number. Second property is number of element in set A union B union C. These are number of element of set A, number of element of set B, number of element of set C, minus number of element of A intersection B, minus number of element of B intersection C, minus number of element of C intersection A, and plus number of element of A intersection B intersection C. Now, third property is number of minus B naught. This one is called B naught. Number of element in set A, B naught. That is, we can express by the Venn diagram universal set, set A and set B, the number of element of set A not B. आप y wording लिख सकते हैं, not B. It means we want to represent this one, जिसमें set A only. इसको आप लिख सकते हैं n A only, जिसमें केवल A के ही एलिमेंट आए. तो this we can represent by two ways. Number of element of A union B minus number of element of B. A यूनियन B, अगर दोनों में से आप A के एलिमेंट माइनस कर देते हैं तो वी गेट द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट A ओनली. और दिस वन माइनस नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B. नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ प्रॉब्लम. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ A we can write down as but not A. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट B ओनली. These are denoted as A minus number of element of set A or B. So these are some properties which can be used in numerical problem or practical problem of the set theory. So on this behalf of these properties, we start exercise 1.6 by taking the question number 1. Question 1 is, X and Y are two sets such that number of element of X are 17. Number of element in set Y are 23. And number of elements of X union Y are 38. These are the given Data are that the set X which contain the 17 elements, set Y which contain the 23 element, and set X union Y which contain the 38 element. Now find what are the number of the element in X intersection Y. So applying the property first. So number of element of X union Y is equal to number of element of X, number of element of set Y minus number of element of set X intersection Y. In this property we know that the number of element of X union Y is 38. These are 17. These are 23, or this one is required. So we can calculate X intersection Y. इसको इधर ट्रांसफर करें, इसको उधर ले जाएं. 17 plus 23 minus के 38, that is 40 minus 38, that is 2. So number of element in X intersection Y are 2. So there is the 2 element which are common in set A and set B. That is, we can say that there are the 2 members which are the member of set X as well as set Y. Next is question number 2. If X and Y are 2 sets such that X union has a element, that is the number of elements X union Y is equal to 18. And next is X set has 8 elements. X are 8. And next is, and Y has 15. That is number of set Y are 15. So how many elements in set X intersection Y? So number of X intersection Y is required. Again, applying this property. So applying number of X union Y is equal to number of set of X, number of set of Y, number of element of X intersection Y. So these are 18, these are 8, 15, or this one is required. So transfer this one and this one. So number of element of X intersection Y, 8 plus 15 minus 18, that is 23 minus 18. So 5 element are there which are the member of set X as well as member of set Y. So simply by using the formula we can calculate the number of the elements in the given set. Now question 3. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. So first of all, define the set. Let us suppose A. Be the set of those people who can speak Hindi. So we have defined this. A be the set of all those people who can speak Hindi, and B be the set of those people who can speak English. So let us suppose A be the set of all those people who can speak Hindi and B be the set of all those people who can speak English. So now according to the statement, in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi. So number of the element of set, and similarly 200 can speak English. So number of the element of set B are 200. And next is, how many people can speak both Hindi and English? So it means this one is N A union B is equal to 400. इसको बाद में लिखें, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में ये वेरीफाई हुआ है कि इन 400 पीपल देर इज नो पीपल हु कैन स्पीक एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ दीज लैंग्वेजेस. दैट इज इन ए ग्रुप ऑफ 400 एंड इट इज मस्ट टू स्पीक हिंदी और इंग्लिश फॉर एवरी वन. तो यहां पर एक भी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं है जो ना तो हिंदी बोलता है ना इंग्लिश बोलता है, तो इसलिए ए यूनियन बी को हमने क्या लिया है, 400. Now, find out NA intersection B means how many common element between A and B, that is how many people are those who can speak both Hindi and English. So ये find out करना है. So A union B, NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. 200 और इट इज रिक्वायर्ड. इधर ट्रांसफर कर दें, 400 को उधर ट्रांसफर करें. एन ए 250 200 माइनस 400 दैट इज 450 माइनस 400 दैट इज 50 पीपल. सो 50 पीपल आर दोज which can be speak both the languages Hindi as well as English. Question number 4. If S and T are the two sets, S has 21 element, so number of element in set S is 20. It is given that. Set T has 32 element, that is number of element of set T 32. And next is, and S intersection T has 11 element, that is N S intersection T are 11. Now find out the element of S union T. So applying the property S union T is equal to number of element of set S, number of element of set T, plus number of element. So there are 21 element, 32 element, minus 11. So 53 minus 11, that is 40. So there are 42 elements in S union T. So this is a very simple question. We have calculated by applying the direct. Now, question number 5. Question 5 is, X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements. Number of set X has 40 elements. Number of element of set X are 40. X union Y have the 60 element. And X intersection Y has 10 element. 10 element. How many element in set Y? Simply applying the property as X union Y is equal to number of element of X, number of element of set Y, element of X intersection Y. So these are 60. Number of element of set X has 40. This one is the required NY, or minus these are 10. So 60 is equal to 40 minus 10 is 30 and Y. So number of element of set Y are 60 minus 30. These are 30. So there are the 30 element in set Y. Next is question number 6. In this question given that in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 cricket, both 10 like both cricket and the tennis. How many like tennis only, how many like cricket only, or how many like tennis? So there are the two groups of the people who like cricket and tennis. So first of all, define the set. A be the set of those people who like cricket, and B be the set of those people who like tennis. जो दोनों को लाइक ए बी द सेट ऑफ who like cricket or B be the set of those people who like tennis, and there are the given observations as in a group of 65 people 40 like cricket, that is number of the element of set are 40, and 10 like both cricket and tennis, that is N A intersection B जो दोनों को like करते हैं, these are 10. So N A union B becomes 60. These are the 65. इसको आप बाद में लिखें जब ये कंफर्म हो जाए कि ये यूनियन है या नहीं है, because there are some people maybe 65 which do not like cricket and the tennis. तो कंफर्म है कि यहां पर जो 65 है इनमें सारे के सारे वो पीपल्स हैं जो एटलीस्ट वन गेम को लाइक कर रहे हैं. So 65 people, 40 cricket and 10 in both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only? So we can take the help of the Venn diagram. This one is the set A or this one is the set B. In this set all those people like cricket, or in this set all those people like tennis. But question is that how many like tennis only? So first is number of element, we can say that B only. How many like टेनिस ओनली, इसका मतलब हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि यहां पर कितने मेंबर्स हैं, कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं, कितने पीपल हैं. लाइक टेनिस ओनली मीन्स दिस वन जो इसमें ना आए. अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन इसको हम कह सकते हैं नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ ए यूनियन बी माइनस नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए. अगर इनमें से ए यूनियन बी में से आप ए को माइनस कर देते हैं तो वी गेट द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट बी ओनली, और ए यूनियन बी आर 65 एंड 25. So 25 people are those who like tennis only. This is the first answer. Second is how many like tennis only, not cricket, or how many like tennis? Now, NB. How many like tennis? It is all the element of set B. अब हमें ये निकालना है. This one is NB. अब आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि सेट B में कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं. So we can applying the property N A union B, N B minus N A intersection B. N A union B are 65. So N A union B are 65. A union B are 65 is equal to NA are 40, NB is required, and A intersection B is 10. 65, 40 minus 10 is 30 plus NB. So NB is equal to 65 minus 30. This is 35. So there are 35 people are those who like tennis. So this one is the question number 7. Next question is question 6 हमने solve किया है. Next is the question 7. Question 7 is, sorry, there is a mistake. That is, this one is the solution of question number 7. This one is question number 7, and there is a question missing between them is question number 6. Now, question number 6. In a group of the 70 people, 37 like coffee and 52 like tea. So there is a set of two types of the people who like coffee and tea. So first define this set. Let set be the set of people who like coffee, and B be the set of people so it is a question number 6. There are the two categories, one like coffee or second who like tea. So given problem is that 70 people are there, 37 like coffee. That is number of the element of set A are 37. And number of element of set B are 52. So, there are 37 like coffee, 52 like tea. And each person like at least one of the two drink. That is 70 people become the union of two. That is A union B is equal to 70. It is confirmed that there is no people who did not take the any one of the drink. तो यहां पर कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है जो कम से कम एक ड्रिंक ना लेता हो. तो जो 70 है, 70 के अंदर सारे के सारे वो पीपल हैं या तो टी लेते हैं या कॉफी लेते हैं, या दोनों चीजें ले रहे हैं. तो ये यूनियन हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज how many people like both taking tea and coffee? So applying the property, NA union B is equal to NA plus NB and intersection B. NA union B is 70, 37, NB is 52, or NA intersection B. 70 is equal to this plus this 9 and 8 minus NA intersection B. So this one is, so 89. So number of NA intersection B is, इसको इधर ट्रांसफर करें, इसको इधर लाएं, 89 minus 70, this one is 19. So these are the 19 people are those who are taking tea and coffee both. So this is the question number 6. Now we solve the question number 8. Question 8 is, in a committee 55 people speak French. तो यहां पर भी हम डिफाइन कर लेते हैं. पहले यहां पर भी सेट को हमने डिफाइन करना है. Let us suppose there are the two types of the set, set A and set B. So first, A be the set of those people who speak French. Who speak French. And B be the set of those people who speak Spanish. So there are the two categories. So in a committee, 50 people like French. That is, number of the element of set A are 50. 20 speak Spanish. That is, number of element on set B are 20. Next is 20 speak Spanish, 10 speak both. That is, A intersection B are 10. So simply these are the given data. So in a committee 50 people can speak. So in a group there are the 50 element. There second group which can be speak Spanish, there are the 20 people, and 10 people are those who can speak both Spanish and the French. Question is that how many speak at least one of these two languages? So that is, how many people are in a group? ये आपने निकालना है. Is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection. A is 50, B is 20 minus 10. These are the 60 people. So this one is the answer. So these are the some numerical problems which are based on the union, intersection, minus difference of the two sets and so on. So there is another miscellaneous exercise in which we use the identities of the sets. So वो हम next lecture में discuss करेंगे. Thank you. Goodbye.